Yes, y'all. This is your boy, David Capable. Alright, guys. Today is gonna be very intriguing and very interesting one. I'm actually in a series trying to teach the newbies how they can add technical analysis indicators on their charts so that they will be able to analyze the market using the technical analysis tools. Okay, you all know what the technical analysis tool is all about, so I don't want to waste most of your time because I'm just going to be much more practical how you can actually add a very important technical analysis tool which we have all had in most cases. This technical analysis tool is known as none other as the RSI. What is the RSI? It's called the relative strength index. The relative strength strength what indexed. All right, so let's not waste much of our time and let's go straight to our metaphor or meta 5. In this case, I'm going to be using a meta 4 app. Sorry, the meta 5 app, because the meta 5 app and the meta 4 app is not similar, it's just a little upgrade of features. All right, so let's go to meta 5 app and let's see how we can add our RSI, which is a relative strength index, to our chart for our technical analysis purpose. All right, let's go straight there. Okay, this is our meta 5. All right, as you can see, this is our meta 5 app, right? And our meta 5 app, we have 5 menus. We have the code, we have the chart, we have the trade, we have the history, and we have the setting. All the menus can be found below the screen of the meta 5 app. All right, so now we choose the second menu, which is actually the chart menu. The chart menu is represented with a symbol of candlestick. So I choose the chart. Now this is the chart. This is how the chart looks like. So like I said in my previous videos, if you want to add all your technical analysis to, you must look up on the chart menu and click on the F sign. I call it Sigma F. The Sigma F is just immediately after the plus looking sign above the screen. The F sign. I'm clicking on the F sign now. Now on the F sign, you can see I've added other tools, but I'm going to be explaining how you can add it, because in the previous video we talked about how you can add the moving average. So here we're going to be talking how we're going to be adding the relative strength index. All right, so what do? I go to my main window. Click on your main window. Once you look at your main window, all your technical indicators are going to be showing up. There are so many technical indicators. Do not cluster your chart screen with too much of the indicators. In most cases, you can make use of either 3 or 4 technical analysis indicators. Don't make too much. I don't make use of more than 3 or 4 because I don't want to cluster the view of my chart, so that by clustering it, meaning I will not be able to see clearly to know how to analyze my market. So in this case, I'm going to be selecting the RSI. So I go down, look at it. It's just below the moving average of oscillator. You see the next, I see relative strength index. Okay, this is the relative strength index. Now, in the relative strength index, there are properties. You have to set the property of this particular indicator. So in this particular indicator, I have the period of this particular indicator is what? Is 14. Apply to, leave it at close. Level, we have 30 and 70. Then we have the style to be what? To be blue. You can decide to change your style. You can change the style. Put the pixel how thick you want it, the pixel how thick you want the color to appear on the screen. Okay, so I can change it to whatever I want. You can see. Come back. Now, very important, the level 30 and 70. Some people may decide to make use of maybe 30 and 80, 20 and whatever. It's just, but most professionals that I've come across, they make use of 30 and 70. I'm going to explain what this 30 and 70 levels is all about. The period is 14. A lot of people can decide to use any other period of your choice, but in my case, I'm making use of only the period 14. Okay, now the levels. Why is this level 30 and 70. We're going to find out when we get to our chart. Okay, now once you are done with the setting of the properties of the RSI, just click done. You click done, go back. It is going to appear as the way it appears on mine here. It's going to appear here on your under your main window. Look at it here. Then you go back to your chart. This is my RSI. Look at it. It shows RSI here. You can see the blue color, right? Okay. Now the rule for the RSI simply means once the market, because it moves according to the movement of the market price, once the market price goes above 70, between 70 and 80, between 70 and 100, it means the market has been what? Has been overbought. It is time for you to sell. I repeat, once the market has hacked up to this particular point, the RSI is showing, the RSI line is showing between 70 to 100, because the RSI has a maximum of 0 to 100. If it's between the 70 and 100 maximum, it means the market has been overbought. So it is now time to sell. So once it's at this particular period, you can now place a sell order, because the market will start coming down. Okay, look at it. You can see in other cases. Okay, once the market got to this point, it start coming down from that 70. If it's above it too, it can start coming down like that. Okay, so that is why you have that 70 in part of this properties for the setting. Then the 30, the rule says once the market is between the maximum of 0 to 30, it means the market has been oversold. So it is time for you to place a buy order. So once the market, look at, if you come down here, let's look at this one. Let's look at this one. Okay, look at it. You can see where the market was between 30 down to 0. You can see the market started rising and start going. If you have placed a buy order within this region, you would have started getting the money, making profits. Okay, so between 30 and 0, you can place a buy order because the market has been oversold. Between 70 and 100, you can place what? A sell order, because the market has been overbought. Okay, so that is not the simple rule for using the RSI technical indicator tool. So thank you guys. If this video has been very helpful, do not be stingy with your like. Ensure you click the like button, share and comment, and also subscribe for this our YouTube video. And we keep dishing out educational materials that is going to sharpen your trading skills. Thank you guys. I remain your boy David Capable. One love.